Hey everybody, Brian Akins. We're at the Dalton, Georgia Antique Arms Show. Picked up a beautiful model 1860 Colt Army. All matching serial numbers. This model was the workhorse of the Civil War. It was actually got the original Colt letter on it. You can see where it was shipped to the United States War Department. And then to Major R.H.K. Whitley, the New York Arsenal, Governor's Island, New York. I'm guessing from the War Department to Whitley, he probably had Schuler, Hartley, and Graham or someone add the ivory grips. And since he was a high-ranking officer, had it all engraved. Don't want to go all Alex Baldwin and point it at anybody, but the action still works. Just a beautiful gun with beautiful antique ivories and engraving. Model 1860 Army. If you like the videos, hit subscribe. Thank you.